T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
It's 3:10 a.m. at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The night sky glows faintly above Pad 39A, and standing tall against the darkness, another Falcon 9 ready to rise. In a year filled with record-breaking launches, SpaceX has done it again. This is Starlink Group 1051, the company's 143rd Falcon 9 mission of 2025, and another step toward connecting the world from orbit. Tonight, we'll explore what made this launch so special, how one rocket, Booster 1069, made history, and how SpaceX continues to push the limits of reusable spaceflight. Welcome to AstroVerse360, where we explore the universe one launch at a time. At exactly 3:10 a.m. Eastern Time, 9 Merlin engines ignited beneath Falcon 9, lighting up the night sky over Florida's Space Coast. From the legendary Pad 39A, once home to the Apollo and Shuttle eras, another chapter in human spaceflight began. On board were 29 Starlink satellites, each one part of SpaceX's vast plan to bring broadband internet to every corner of our planet. As Falcon 9 soared higher, its first stage detached, flipping, firing, and guiding itself back toward Earth. Just 8.5 minutes later, the booster, number 1069, landed perfectly on the drone ship A Shortfall of Gravitas, waiting silently in the Atlantic Ocean. That touchdown marked its 28th successful mission, a feat no other booster in history has ever achieved. Booster 1069 isn't just a piece of hardware. It's a veteran of the skies. Its first flight launched years ago, and since then, it's carried dozens of payloads, from satellites to cargo, and now Starlink missions. Each landing, each relaunch proves that reusability works. SpaceX has turned what was once science fiction into standard practice. With each reuse, the cost per launch drops, and the dream of affordable space access becomes more real. 28 flights, 1 booster, still going strong. The 29 satellites from this mission joined an already massive constellation, now boasting over 8,800 operational Starlink satellites in orbit. Orbiting just 550 kilometers above Earth, they beam high-speed, low-latency internet to homes, ships, aircraft, and even remote regions once cut off from connectivity. Starlink's mission is simple: to make the internet truly global. And this is just the beginning. SpaceX plans to deploy 12,000 satellites and eventually scale up to 42,000, forming a digital web that wraps around the entire planet. From deserts to mountain villages, from the Arctic Circle to the middle of the ocean, Starlink brings the world online. If there's one word to describe SpaceX in 2025, it's relentless. With 143 Falcon 9 launches this year alone, more than any other space company or nation, SpaceX is rewriting the rulebook for orbital missions. Over 100 of those launches were dedicated to Starlink, and each one helps build an internet system that no one else on Earth can currently match. But what's truly revolutionary is the speed. SpaceX now reuses rockets in as little as 10 days between flights, a turnaround rate that would have seemed impossible just a few years ago. This isn't just about launching rockets, it's about making space flight routine. But even progress comes with challenges. Astronomers have raised concerns about Starlink's impact on the night sky. Thousands of satellites can reflect sunlight, creating trails that affect telescopic observations. There's also the growing concern over orbital congestion and space debris. In response, SpaceX is testing dark coatings, sun visors, and autonomous collision avoidance systems to reduce those risks. It's a delicate balance between technological progress and protecting the cosmic environment we all share. As 2025 moves ahead, SpaceX isn't slowing down. All eyes are now turning towards Starship, the next generation rocket that will eventually carry Starlink missions, lunar landers, and human crews to Mars. Falcon 9's record-breaking success is paving the way for a fully reusable interplanetary system. From Pad 39A to the stars, every launch brings humanity closer to a future where space travel is no longer a dream, but a part of daily life. The Starlink Group 1051 mission may seem like just another number, but it represents something far greater. Each satellite launched, each booster recovered, each success written into the sky is a reminder that we're building our bridge to the stars. From the quiet of the launch pad to the glow of orbit, SpaceX continues to redefine what's possible. If you enjoyed this journey through the stars, don't forget to subscribe to AstroVerse360, where we bring the cosmos closer, one launch at a time. AstroVerse, space exploration reimagined.